Hi, Bronster from Mannequin here. Let me show you how you can drastically cut down the time you spend writing tickets in Jira using our plugin Sensei Meowgi. In our current remote work reality, backlog refinement sessions often drag on endlessly. One person types while everyone else just watches. It's exhausting, it's boring, and kills the energy that great team discussions create. To keep that momentum alive, we need to remove those dead moments, and that's exactly what Sensei Meowgi does. For example, let's plan an online shop to sell my freshly baked cake. I mean, who doesn't like cake, right? We start off with an empty backlog, and then we open Sensei Meowgi like we open any other Jira plugin. Here, you'll see something familiar if you've ever used an AI chatbot like ChatGPT. So if you've chatted with one before, you already know exactly how to use Sensei Meowgi. Since I'm more of an expert on cakes than on online shops, I'll start simple by telling Sensei Meowgi about my idea. Hey, I want to create an online shop to sell my cakes. With just that, Sensei Meowgi generates a first draft for me. Good enough for me to start. Now let's add some user stories. I like to begin with one for each acceptance criteria. And instead of creating them manually, I just tell Sensei Meowgi what I want. Okay, so let's add one story for implementing the usual payment methods. Alright, it looks solid enough to get started and adjust as development moves on. Now I save these tickets and they are ready to use. So in summary, instead of creating all these tickets manually in a slow and soul-draining way, I did in about 3 minutes with just a few simple lines. If this caught your interest, check out Sensei Meowgi on the Jira marketplace and start your 1-month free trial. After that, you won't want to go back to writing tickets by hand. Trust me on this one. With that, thank you for your time.